Chapter 12. Light, Sound and Force. New to know. Light, shadows, sound, force. Light is very important for us. It helps us to see things. Without it, we cannot see anything around us. The sun is the main source of light on the earth. The electric bulb, torch, candle, earthen lamp, etc. also give us light. Such objects that emit light of their own are called luminous objects. Objects that do not emit light, like the pencil, book, ball, tree, etc. are called non-luminous objects. We see non-luminous objects when light falls on them. Add-ons. A firefly or jugnu is an insect that glows very bright and is a natural luminous object. Light, something that makes things visible. Shadows. Light always travels in a straight line. A shadow is formed when the light coming from a source is blocked by an object. You can see your dark image on the ground when you stand under the sun. This dark image is your shadow. A shadow is always formed on the opposite side of the light. Shadows can be smaller and bigger than the actual size of an object. The size of a shadow changes from time to time in a day. Wonder box. The Centennial light is the world's longest lasting bulb in California, has reportedly been burning since 1901 with a few interruptions during power failures. Sound. The world around us is very noisy. We hear the variety of sounds like ringing of phone, twittering of birds, barking of dogs, honking of horns, etc. throughout the day. We also produce sound when we talk or laugh. A special part in our throat produces sound. Our tongue, lips and mouth turn sound into words. Different things produce different sounds. Some sounds are loud while others are soft. Some are pleasant while others are unpleasant. Unpleasant sounds are called noise. They are harmful for our ears. Music, the sound of birds twittering or girls singing a song that is nice to hear. These are pleasant sounds. We can reduce noise by doing the following. We should keep the volume of music low. We should not listen to TV programs at very high pitch. We should speak softly so that nobody gets disturbed. Add-ons. You might have seen a lightning before you hear a thunder. Why? This is because light travels faster than sound. Force. Things move when we push or pull them. This push or pull is called force. You pull the door of your wardrobe to open it and push it to close it. Similarly, you can push the chair or pull it to change its position. Force helps us to do many things, such as to move an object, to stop a moving object, to change the shape or size of an object. The force that slows down or stops the movement of an object is called friction. It develops between two bodies when they touch each other. For example, when car runs on the road, tires of the car and the road are in touch. So friction develops between the tire and the road. It is because of friction that the car moves on the road. Final learnings. Luminous objects emit light while non-luminous objects do not emit light. A shadow is formed when light coming from a source is blocked by an object. Unpleasant sounds are called noise. Push or pull is a force. The force that slows down or stops the movement of an object is called friction.